Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. My first video for a couple of weeks because the wife lost the keys to the handcuffs. But we're back now, and today's recipe is Korean drug eggs. But don't worry, it's not them sort of drugs. Apparently it's just the taste is so good you just keep coming back for more. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below or are on screen now. Well, the first thing you do for this recipe is slice up the spring onions, chillies and garlic and place in a suitable sized bowl. Then add 200 ml of fresh water and 200 ml of soy sauce. Then follow this with the sesame seeds, the sesame oil and the white pepper. Give it a mix together, and it's time to add the sugar. And again, mix well. Next thing we do is cook the eggs. You want them soft boiled, so put in boiling water for 6.5 minutes. And take out, rinse the hot water and run under cold water until the eggs are cool. And when they're cool, peel them. As we know, taking the shell off eggs can be a bit of a pain in the backside, so my advice is get your wife to do it. Then when the eggs are shelled, put in a suitably sized container and pour over the marinade, making sure all the eggs are covered well. Then it's off to a refrigerator overnight for at least 12 hours. This recipe is great served over warm rice or noodles, but I like it best as a snack with some cold beer. When you've used up the eggs, don't throw the marinade away. Use it as a dipping sauce or even put another batch of eggs into it. Waste not, want not. We do hope you enjoyed this recipe and give it a go sometime. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and we'll see you on the next. Bye for now.